Welcome to Hytrol and happy Lohberg Day. Due to COVID restrictions, we're not able to do in-person visits for Lohberg Day this year. So instead, we produced this video to show you all the changes we have made since your last visit. Every year on July 1st, we celebrate our founder, Tom Lohberg. This is our wall of history. It features some of our major keynotes over the years, such as moving from West Allis to Jonesboro in 1962, receiving the E Award for exports from President Bush, or more recently in 2019, the opening of the Hytrol Materials Handling Laboratory at Arkansas State University. As we proceed out onto the floor, you will start to notice some of the changes that have been made since your last visit. Our main building is over 700,000 square feet, all of which is air conditioned and stays comfortable in the summer months. The first area we are visiting is Brown Fabrication. This is where most of our lasers and punch presses are located. These machines are the initial step in our fabrication process, turning raw steel into the parts that make up our conveyors. We are going to move down to the medical clinic, which is free to use for the Hytrol family. Past our clinic is Dan's multi-purpose room, where we host daily exercise classes such as yoga, P90X, and Turbo Kick. Not shown in this tour is our gym, pool, and saunas, which are currently closed for renovation. As we move back onto the floor through our fabrication line, you can really start to see the overall size of our facility. The areas to the right are quality check, paint prep, and then our paint line. Paint has made some very big changes this year, now running 24/7. Silver Cell is where some of our larger conveyors like the HSS and the BPC models are produced. This is our newest expansion and features our robotics cell. Here in assembly, as you can see, a rather long pro sort is being put together. Every conveyor we produce will be fully assembled and tested before we dismantle it back into shippable sections. Our assembly areas are divided out by differing product lines. We call these cells: silver, purple, green, blue, and orange, each focusing on their own style but still able to build any of our conveyors. Assembly takes the majority of our floor space and a large portion of our employees. As we move through assembly, you can get an idea of all the different styles of conveyors we produce. No two customers' wants are the same, so all these differing styles and product lines allow us to meet all of those wants. Some conveyors operate on rollers, some on belts, others have plastic chains or aluminum slats. They all serve a different purpose within a customer's facility. Also new this year is our power assembly line, shown here. In this area, we produce some of our more standard products. As we move down the ramp, we enter Red Cell. Red Cell produces a vast amount of the components that make up our conveyors. Rollers, pulleys, reducers, we could go on for an hour about all the different items they design and manufacture. We have machines here that were designed by Hytrol employees to increase our roller production, along with a CNC cell to do all of our own machining. We even have a lagging process set up to produce our own pulleys in-house. This year, we also moved our shop leadership into one larger office, shown here. As we head up front, we have the panel shop, which produces a lot of our controls and electrical components. Then we get into programming, engineering, customer care, training, and marketing. These plaques are awarded once someone hits 40 years of service. We are very proud of these members of the Hytrol family. To date, we have awarded over 50 Tower of Strength awards. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next year.